How to use Google Keep as a note-taking app. Google Keep, the recent release from Google, is a great tool for where you want to take notes in class or for jotting down grocery shopping lists. Learn about why Google Keep is such an amazing tool that manages your note-taking and how it can be used as a way to manipulate the information collected. 1.5 hours. Because I'm a seasoned Android user, I never spent a lot of time coming up with ways to organize my phone system or tasks. I mean, what do you need to use the phone for? It's for communication, text messaging and calling. How does one handle keeping track of all this information when there is that much going on through different apps? 1.5 hours. What features does Keep have? Google Keep is perfect for note-taking, whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or just trying to remember something important. Here are some of the features that Keep offers. Why? So you can create new notes or notebooks quickly with the handy drag and drop interface. Why? So you can attach photos, videos and files to your notes, which makes them more powerful and versatile. Why? So you can share your notes with others by email, Google Drive or social media. If you need to password protect a note, you can do that too. How do I create a list on the app? If you are looking for a comprehensive guide to Google Keep, we have you covered. In this post, we'll show you how to create a new list and how to add items to it using the app's simple interface. To get started, open Google Keep on your phone or computer. At the top left of the app, click the menu button 3 lines in a horizontal row. From the menu that pops up, choose Create New List. You'll be asked to give your list a name and to specify its purpose. You can use this list for storing ideas, tasks or notes. Now that you have created your list, it's time to add some items. To do this, click on the plus button located directly below the list name. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can type in whatever you want to include in your list. Add a title for your note, an excerpt if you like, and then hit go. Your note is now live and available for editing and deletion. If you want to save a copy of your note as an image or PDF file, just select those options when you save. How can Keep help me stay focused? Google Keep is a great app for taking notes and keeping track of ideas. It has a simple user interface, so it's easy to get started. You can use Keep to capture notes, sketches, and ideas. You can also use it to track your to-do list. Keep is integrated with Google Drive, so you can access your notes from any device. You can even sync to your Google Calendar. Notes can be organized into lists or folders, so you can easily follow a specific theme. You can also alphabetize your notes. Plus, you can keep lists private and share them with others. You should definitely check this out. How do I share my notes between devices? Google Keep is a great app for taking notes, but it can be difficult to share notes between devices. Here are some tips on how to share notes with other devices. 1. Connect Google Keep to your browser and log in. 2. Click the plus button in the top left corner of the app and select Add Notebook. 3. Search for a note on another device and drag and drop it into the Google Keep notebook. 4. Press Share in the top left corner of the notebook to share the note with other devices. Conclusion: Google Keep is a great note-taking app that can be used for all sorts of things. It's perfect for recording ideas, to-dos, or recipes. Whether you're working on a project at home or in the office, Google Keep can help you stay organized and keep track of what's happening. If you're looking for an app that can do lots of different things, try Google Keep out. Download now. Google Keep free Android. 26 September 22, 2016 11 hours 55 minutes and 10 seconds. Computer programmer. Currently finishing up my first book. Technically I can only say that I used Ulysses in the past, but never really found it overwhelmingly fulfilling. Maybe it was too static blanket. Maybe like me you need to retreat into a text a little more abstract before you let it consume your thoughts and play with you. I am starting to try daily snippets and note-taking when that situation forces itself upon me. Last week, this one tweeted a link to some amazing clip from Gene Wilder of Willy Wonka is reluctantly injected into Han Solo in Star Wars, and at one point he's saying how much longer, with double emphasis on